We have one bird here. It just knocked on our window.
The bird knocked on your
We were
window?
watching a movie. And he knocked on our window. He wanted to come in.
How did you catch him?
Well, he was in the bushes. He's gonna die soon, though. And we're gonna let him go.
Why is he going to die?
What?
Why is he going to die?
'Cause he banged into the window.
Turn him around so as we can see him. Hold, put your hands down.
You're not squeezing him tight, are you?
And now, can we see his body sideways on? That's nice. Oh, he's a pretty little thing.
Missy, please move that.
What are you complaining about?
Nothing.
Do you want to hold him, Chrissy? You don't? Go, you hold him for a little bit.
No, I'm scared.
I'll help you.
Mommy, did you be near
He
me?
won't bite if you're nice to him.
I got him.
Mommy, I'm scared to hold him.
I'm going to have to hold him too tight. Don't squeeze him. That's the only thing. Okay? Don't squeeze.
I'm scared. You hold him.
Okay.
This is the best bird I've ever found.
Let's try.
Oh, you've got a bed there.
Let's see, just see what happens if we put him in here. Okay?
Well, he looks very relaxed in there. He must be very stunned.
Can we bury him?
Well, he isn't actually dead yet. He's looking a lot healthier. He's got his eye open.
Yeah.
Can he eat fish food?
His throat's working.
Can
Think
he
he
eat
wants
fish
to drink?
food? No, Mom, don't.
He can
You'll
maybe eat
die.
fish. Do you hear him go and squeak? He's making little noises. Sounds a little healthier.
I know.
Oh, he sounds cheering up. He
I got
you.
some friends. I think he found some. No! Oh, goody, look, he's
Oh,
flying.
great! He flew away.
He looks well.
That's it.
Well, he looks to me so he's going to fly away.